Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is another pose from our heart opener series. So let's get on our mat and do the sphinx pose. So come in your hands and knees for a minute, finding your alignment, and gently lower down to your belly. So keeping everything pressed firmly to the mat, the tops of your feet, your thighs, and your pelvis. Bring your elbows underneath your shoulders, your forearms and your palms facing down, your fingertips facing forward. So your toes are also pointing towards the back of the room. Keep your chest lifted and spread your collarbones wide. Imagine that you're shining your heart forward. So really keeping that chest lifted. So this is a gentle back bend and a preparatory pose for when you're doing other heart openers. So take a moment here to find that stillness. Remember to breathe in and out of your nose. And when you're ready, bring your forehead down to the mat or come into your child's pose for a moment. Good. Now let's do it one more time. So keeping everything pressed down to the mat, keeping your chest lifted, your collarbone spread wide. So let's stay here for 10 rounds of breath and really finding this moment here to keep our chest lifted and our heart shining forward. Closing your eyes. Find a moment to be still, to be quiet. And when you're ready, bring yourself up to your child pose. You can stay here for a moment. And when you're ready, come into your seated pose. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.